Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian chicken light soup or pepper soup recipe with fufu. Trust me, you're going to love it. So all you have to do right now is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Afia. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, I'll start by steaming my chicken. I'm using soft chicken right here. Use any type of chicken that you want. Next, to season the chicken, I'll go in with some chopped onions. Next, I also go in with some meat seasoning powder, chicken seasoning. Next, I also go in with some garlic ginger paste as well, and I also go in with some tomato paste. Kindly feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. Don't forget as well to go in with some salt to taste. Once that is done, I also go in with a little bit of water to steam the meat very well. And once that is done, I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and juicy. Next, I'll start by cooking my vegetables, which I'll be using for the soup. So I'll be using pepper, carrots, onion, fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, and I'll go in with enough water to cook this very well. Kindly feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Now, after about 10 to 15 minutes, we are back to check on the vegetables, and this is how it looks like. It's looking super soft and ready. So now let's set this aside and we're going to blend it off camera. And whilst that is going on, we are also back to check on our chicken, and this is how it looks like after 10 to 20 minutes. It's looking all good and perfect. Now let's give everything a very good stir until all the seasonings incorporate very well. And once that is done, I'll cover it again for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and ready. We are back after extra 10 minutes, and this is how the stock on the chicken looks like. It's looking super good and delicious already. Alright, so now the chicken is nice and well cooked, so I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on. Next, we're going to go in with water, and I'll be going in with enough water according to how light or thick I want the soup to be. Okay, let's give everything a very good stir. Remember to taste for salt at this point. Okay, let's stir. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Now, whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for your amazing support. Alright, so now we've been cooking the soup for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and as you can see, is looking very inviting and very appetizing. All that is left right now is to enjoy this chicken light soup with fufu. If you know me, you know I love fufu very much. You can also enjoy this soup with rice or any swallow of your choice. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this chicken light soup. It turned out super good, and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you in my next upload. Bye.